Hello, I'm Darian Woolbright in Oklahoma City, and today I'm answering the question, how do I know which offer is better when selling a home? In today's market, it's super common for sellers to be getting multiple offers, so many as up to 30 offers, which is astronomical. Sometimes sellers can get confused on which offer they should choose, with so many being thrown their way. So here's a couple of tips of how to choose. First, you're going to want to evaluate the buyer's purchase price, closing date, and release of contingency dates. This refers to when a buyer can no longer back out of the contract, which gives you confidence that the sale will move forward. Then, you're going to look at financing. You need to see proof of funds or pre-approval, including the amount they'll put down for earnest money and the full amount of the down payment. You'll also want to know which type of loan or payment they're using, cash, VA, FHA, or a conventional loan. These can all influence how they purchase and close on your home. After you've organized your offers and ranked each one by type of financing, closing date, price, etc., take your top 2 or 3 offers and ask your agent to call the other agents representing the buyers. They may find out something about each buyer. What if they find out that their motivation, that they actually have a house to sell, but they didn't put it on the offer because they didn't want to make the offer contingent on that house selling? Well, if they have a house that they have to sell and it's already in escrow getting ready to close, they're going to be homeless in a couple of weeks. They're going to be pretty motivated. So motivation is everything. You want to find out all you can about each of the offers and the buyers. So ask your agents to work on that and find out what they can. Lastly, evaluate your personal preferences and try to figure out which one works best for your wants and needs. Lots of your offers may come in wanting to close in 3 weeks, but you may not want to close in 3 weeks. Maybe you need 5 or 6 weeks, or you want to close sooner. Your agent should be able to call those agents and kind of feel them out and see who's willing to play ball. I hope this is helpful in this crazy seller's market. It can be really daunting to try to find which offer to choose and which buyer is the best for you. If you have any questions at all, please reach out. I'm Darian Woolbright, your eyes on the real estate market. Thanks for watching.